in March of 2020, we all get punched in the face. And for 6 months, you're like, well, do I move to Miami? Do I get in the stock market? Do I buy Bitcoin? What do I do? So for about 6 months, I spent trying to figure out what I'm going to do. And we discovered Bitcoin. And I thought, well, it's not without risk, but everything else is worse. Everything else is a fast death or a slow death. So I'm going to do something new. Over the next 4 years, the risk got taken off. The administration embraced it as a commodity, and that was one risk factor taken off. And then we got the ETFs. That was the second risk factor. And then you got the Trump administration embracing it and the red sweep. That's the third risk factor. And then MicroStrategy, we bought 250 million. We bought 250 million at like 11,800 coin, and then it crashed. And we lost $40 million in the next week and a half. And that was,
what are you doing with that?
Figuring out how to buy the next 250 million. Because I'm sure committed, you're in. Like, I'm going to ride it to zero or we're going to win. But I've decided I want to win. And I knew that if I didn't play the game, I was certainly going to lose. So, that was the difficult time. But then Bitcoin rallied, went back to the all-time high. From August of 2020 to about a month ago, we raised $10 billion because everybody got behind us and we had a strategy and we committed to it. So now we put 25 billion into the network. But it's like, decide what you're going to do with your life, focus, commit.